She didn't really say so much, but till I look in her eyes.